Customers at major sporting goods stores expect the sports equipment sold there to live up to safety expectations. Wilson Sporting Goods Company versus Hickox drives home liability for defective designs. While umpire Edwin Hickox was at a retreat for Major League Baseball umpires, Hickox met with a representative from Wilson Sporting Goods Company. The representative gave Hickox an umpire's mask and told Hickox it was a new, safer design with a throat guard that angled forward instead of straight down. The representative also told Hickox the mask would disperse the force created if a ball hits the mask. Months later, Hickox wore the mask while umpiring a game from behind home plate. A foul-tipped ball hit the mask. Instead of dispersing the force of the ball, the mask briefly trapped the ball in the throat guard and concentrated the ball's energy at the point of impact. The mask was driven into Hickox's jaw, gave him a concussion, and damaged a joint between the bones of his inner ear. Hickox suffered mild to moderate permanent hearing loss. Hickox felt the mask's throat guard should have had a center wire and extended straight down instead of forward. There were other, safer masks on the market at the time. If Hickox had been wearing a hockey-style mask or a traditional mask with a throat guard that went straight down, he probably wouldn't have gotten this injury. Hickox thought that Wilson tested new products to ensure their safety before selling them. However, Wilson didn't test the type of mask Hickox was wearing to determine if the force of impact would disperse, like Wilson's product design engineers intended, instead of transferring the force to the wearer's head. Had Wilson tested the mask, the testing would have shown the mask was defective because it could trap balls instead of deflecting them. Because of this design, the mask failed to serve its purpose. Wilson said it designed the mask based on feedback from baseball players and umpires, and that masks with forward-angled throat guards from other companies weren't associated with these types of injuries. Wilson also claimed the mask was lab-tested and field-tested. Hickox and his wife sued Wilson under multiple products liability theories. A jury found for Hickox. Wilson appealed.